Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve you don't have permission to access on Magic Tiles 3. To know how to fix or how to solve you don't have permission to access on Magic Tiles 3, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window of Magic Tiles 3 and you can click here as you see in this page. After that you can click on force stop. Then you can enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.